Hello friends, my name is Omkar Shavai and today's date is 29th August 2022 and today's our Viva topic is on life cycle of object in Java. So let's begin. We must know that when is object created and how its life goes on and how it's died at the end. So let's begin. There are mainly 7 steps in life cycle of object in Java. Then first is creating of dot class file on the disk. Second one is loading of dot class file in the memory. Third one is it looking for the initialized static members of class. Fourth one is and, fourth one is the it access it access how the ways of accessing the class file the ways of accessing the classes in Java. Then fourth one is it allocating the memories to the objects and reference variables. Sixth one is the calling the constructor of class. Then last one is remove the object and reference variable from the class. So we see one by one. First is creating the dot class file in Java. As we all know that the JVM, Java programs are run by JVM, means Java Virtual Machine. When a class is compiled by a JVM, it is transformed into bytecode, which is machine dependent and also machine independent and also machine platform independent. When the and which is turned in the and which is stored in the as dot class file in the on the disk. Then after creating the dot class file on the disk, it is loaded into the memory by Java class loader, and it is then after it reads by the Java runtime into the memory. Then third step is looking for the static members of a class, means it the static members of a class are such as static methods, static fields, static blocks. The static members are does not belong to the particular instance of a class. They belong to class itself, and they are and it's, which are the shared and is objects shared by a class, Okay. Then fourth step is the allocating the initialization way of a class. In Java there are mainly two types of initializing the class. First one is when we access the static method or static field. It means, for example, when we call a main method, the main method, the static the class is initialized because of the main method is static. And second one is when we access the static objects or the instance of a class, then also class is initialized. Then fifth one is allocating memory to the object and reference variable. Means the Java allocates the heap memory for the Java objects of a class, and this Java JVM allocates the memory on the stack for the reference variables. Then sixth step is calling the constructor of the class. Calling of the when all these steps means allocation of memory is done, then the constructor is called only once when object is created. Means then thus how the object is created, and it lives their life by accessing by providing access to the fields, static fields or static methods. Then last step is remove the objects and reference variables from the class. Means in this step the objects and reference variables are removed from the memory. Means when when providing access to those static fields and static methods are completed, then objects and reference variables are removed from the memories. We don't have to remove the objects or reference variables by ourselves only. Then Java runtime removes the calls the garbage collector and removes the all the objects and reference variables. So that's all from me. Thank you.